Hey, my name's Greg Brewer, and today I'm going to show you the easy method for replacing how to fix a leaky faucet. And if you have a Delta faucet, they have a lifetime warranty, so you can go online, submit a request, or you can go online, find their phone number, call them, tell them what kind of device you have, and they'll send you the exact thing that you need to fix your problems. So with that in mind, here we go. First thing you do, you determine which side of the faucet you think's dripping. In this case, I've replaced the cold side already, so I'm going to replace the hot side. So make certain that you cut off if you look right here, you find your local cutoff valve. It could look something similar to that, and cut it off. Then what you'll want to do is remove the whatever type of device, lever handle, or anything that whatever you have on your faucet. It's very important you cut your water off first so you don't have any major spills. You may still want to have a towel handy just in case. So we'll remove this, and what you'll find is once you get it open, you'll find the little device that you'll need to replace. Take note that the Delta ones have a little piece of plastic that will help determine which side of the valve that will go on. May not be saying the terminology correct, but nevertheless, you'll see a little plastic piece, a little extra plastic piece inside the box. So once you make your way into the box, we'll go ahead and set it up much like the existing one is, so that we get it right with the least amount of trouble. So, open it up here. I don't want you to get into them very well, so open it up. And look and see how this other one is placed, much like so, with this little extra piece placed right down in there. So that's how it's going to go. And then we're going to remove the existing one, and it should be fairly easy, just with a little bit of a. Well, first of all, you have to. Sorry about that. You have to remove the nut that's holding it on. So we'll do that. Loosen that right up, and that'll come right off. Be prepared for a little water to come out. That is quite all right. So once that comes off, this piece should be easy to just pop right out of there. And as I mentioned, we may have a little water seeping out. That's just what's in the line. So make sure we don't get the bad one mixed up with the good one. And way down in there, there's also, excuse me, there's also it's called a seat, valve seat. So there's a little rubber doodad and a spring. So we'll make sure we get the right one out. How's my photographer doing, or my videographer? You doing good back there?
Good.
Fantastic. All right. So it's already tried to pop out on its own. So we'll grab a little trusty screwdriver, and we will pull it right out of there. It pops out with no problem. And as you note, it's seated right in there, and it goes in like that. So we'll take another one, and we'll do the same little trick with that. Stick it right back in there, and we'll plop it right back in there. Just like so. Make sure we get it in there correctly. May take a little bit of precision work here. And if I haven't stated it already, I am not a plumber, and I am not particularly good with plumbing, in my opinion. So if I can do it, you can do it. So then we just put it right back in there, pop it right down. We take the nut that we took off a minute ago, place it right back on this base, and we'll tighten it up. It's very important that this is tight, or that could cause a leak. And a leak sometimes could be something as simple as just tightening that down. Depending on what how your faucet was installed, you may find that you have to not only twist the top, but you'll have to figure out a way, either with a trusty assistant or with some extra long arms. You may have to hold down the underneath while you tighten the top in order to get a nice tight seal there. But hopefully this won't be too bad. Get it tightened right down, and then we will place the handle back on like it was. Okay, works like a charm. We'll tighten it back down. Are you getting this, little video man?
Yes.
Cool. So we're going to tighten this back down, nice and snug. You don't have to use the gorilla force on it. Just tighten it down pretty snug, and we'll turn the water on and see how we did. All right, water's back on. Water's going. Water's on. Water's off. Water's on. Water's off. Cool. Well, that was the first time that I've had a do-it-yourself video on YouTube. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And you can, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care. Thanks, buddy. You can close it now.